Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best tools and gadgets to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into one of the best Torx bit sets available, the Toolant Impact Torx Bit Set. If you're looking for a durable, versatile, and well-organized bit set, this could be the perfect choice for you. Let's take a closer look at what makes this set stand out from the rest. First, the set comes with 27 pieces, ranging from T7 to T40 sizes, which cover a wide array of tasks. Whether you're working on home repairs, automotive projects, or woodworking, these bits are ready to tackle a variety of screws. The set includes both 1-inch and 2-inch long bits, giving you flexibility depending on the task at hand. One of the standout features of this set is the S2 alloy steel construction, known for its toughness and durability. These bits are designed to withstand heavy use, ensuring that they won't break or wear down easily. This is especially important if you're working with an impact driver, as they need to handle high torque without losing their edge. The Toolant Impact Torx bits are CNC machined to precision, which means you get a perfect fit every time. This precision allows for better grip and helps prevent slippage, reducing the chance of damaging screws or your tools. Additionally, the manganese phosphate coating on the surface of the bits helps prevent rust, ensuring that they stay in top condition for longer. Another great feature is the strengthened magnetic tips. These tips make it incredibly easy to pick up screws and hold them in place while you work. The magnetism is strong enough to make handling screws much easier, and it doesn't wear off after multiple uses, unlike some cheaper alternatives. Plus, it's important to note that the 1-inch bits are not magnetic by themselves. But they will become magnetic when connected to the included magnetic bit holder. This set also comes with a 3-inch magnetic impact bit holder. This is perfect for those tight spaces where you need extra reach and control. It helps you drive screws where a regular screwdriver just won't fit, making it an excellent addition to your toolkit. The Toolant Impact Torx bit set is designed with organization in mind. The bits are neatly arranged in a sturdy, compact storage box, making it easy to find the bit you need quickly and keep everything in place. The box is small enough to carry around, so it's convenient for both home use and for taking on the go. Whether you're an experienced DIYer or a professional tradesperson, this set is built to handle all sorts of projects. Its durability, versatility, and magnetic features make it a great option for anyone looking to invest in high-quality impact bits. So if you're ready to take your screw driving tasks to the next level, the Toolant Impact Torx bit set is a must-have addition to your toolkit. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there.